Today we will be discussing the most frequently asked problem in front-end interviews, how to create a custom map function. Before jumping to the topic, first let us see how the inbuilt map function works in JavaScript. We will start by initializing an array. The map function takes two arguments. First, the callback function to be executed upon each element of the array, and second is the array itself. Now this callback function has three parameters. First, the value of the current item. Second, the index of the current item. And third, the array on which the map function is applied. Map function applies the callback to each element of the array and returns a new array with the modified values. Here we are writing a map function which doubles each element of the array. Now let us go back to our original problem. We will start by defining our custom map function. Inside our custom map function, we will loop through the array and apply the provided callback function to each element. Now, we've created this function and let us apply this to the array we created. The result from our custom map is same as the resulted array from the inbuilt map.